Hello, fellow football bettors. Today we are taking a look at one of the most lucrative football betting strategies, which is the double chance betting strategy. And believe me, this strategy works at least 85% of the time once it is well implemented. Before we get into the video proper, let me show you some slips of this strategy being implemented properly. So this is just one of the few proofs. This is Switzerland against Colombia last week in the World Cup. Match went on the 7th of July. So we went in for Colombia wins or draw after our analysis. And with this double chance strategy. And guess what? The game ended 0-0 draw, even though Colombia was knocked out. But the double chance option was good. And still on the 7th, we implemented this double chance strategy, but this time around on the home team. Take a look at the odds, at least 1.30. So that's our goal. This is just a few among several others. So let us get started with the video in proper. Okay, the very first app or website, I will advise the website because I'm more comfortable on PC view. For this strategy is live score. This live score is just to check out the most important games because I don't like wasting time trying to fish out the most important games. But before we actually get started in the video proper, always remember to bet responsibly because there are no guaranteed wins in football betting. So let us get started. In the live score app, you can already fish out the most important game of the day, England against Argentina, and some other Champions League qualification. But let us get started with England against Argentina. Once you have fished out the most important game, you move directly to your live score and try to locate that game right there. And this is the game, England facing Argentina. So what next? Before I get started with the strategy proper, let me quickly give a rundown for those that don't understand the double chance option properly. When they say double chance, this option 1x, this simply means the home team wins or draw. The home team here refers to England. This odd means either England wins or draw the game. So the only option for your bet slip to be unsuccessful if England loses the game in 90 minutes. Prolongations are not included. This double chance 12 simply means that the only option for your bet slip to lose is if there is a draw game in 90 minutes. This 12 means that either Argentina wins or England wins, so either team wins. The double chance x2 simply means that Argentina wins or draw. So that's it for the rundown. Let us quickly go back to our strategy. So for our strategy, we are still going to be making use of this odd, but the odds are useless. These odds are just to guide us on the side we should go for, because I always love betting on the double chance with the highest odd. So here you can clearly fish out Argentina got an odd of 1.41 as compared to England's 1.32. So the bookmakers are backing England. So that's already 1 point. The bookmakers are backing England. Do not be afraid to go against the bookmakers when you are planning on your double chance strategy. So the first point is the bookmakers should be going against your team if you want the maximum odds for this game. There are a lot of situations, but for this game, the bookmakers are going against the team I want to go on, Argentina. So once you have located this, you check out their head-to-head and their recent record. You can see England has won 4 on their 5 games, drawing just 1. Argentina has won 5 on 5 games, even though they won around prolongations or after prolongations. Then the head-to-head now between the two teams. You can see Argentina has lost just 1, 2, just 2 on 5 times. So this gives a higher percentage to the draw or Argentina wins option. So after analyzing their head-to-head stats, what next? You check out what Flashscore has to say as usual, because Flashscore is a very important tool when it comes to analysis. You simply tap on their match preview and you scroll down to check out the percentage. This is the second confirmation point. You can see Flashscore is still backing England to win, but the percentage is very much tight. Once the percentage is less than 20% in Flashscore, be ready to go with a double chance for your favorite team or the team with the higher odds. So here, the double chance, the difference is just 8%. 8% is very minimum. So you scroll down again, you can see even though they are backing England to win according to their own percentage, but their final verdict says it clearly that Argentina have won 11 of their 13 World Cup ties to go beyond 90 minutes. So a full-time draw and Argentina to qualify combination. So this is just another confirmation of Argentina wins or draw. So you go with Argentina wins or draw. That is it for the first game. For those that have not understood properly, let us take another game for this to be clear. The next game we are looking at is Clarksville against Beeston. Let me explain this again for this strategy to be clear. So once you have located your game, go to Flash Score to check out the game right there in Flash Score. The game is located in the Champions League, so let us quickly check that out without wasting any much time. Okay, so here is the game. Clarksville against Bison. So this game is actually played in the home and return leg. So in the first leg, you can see it clearly stated here. The first leg, Clarksville won 2 goals to 1. So this is another scenario. And in this scenario, I will advise you to go with motivation. So you can see here that the loser in this game directly loses the competition. And Clarksville is just 1 goal ahead of Bison. So this makes it possible for Clarksville to come and play the game just for a draw so that they can move forward. So in this type of circumstance, you go with motivation. You can see the bookmakers are backing them with an odd of 2.4 bet. This is just to confuse you. Don't be surprised that this game even goes through that this team has won after proper analysis. So let us look at what Flash Score has to say in case there is anything. Match summary. Yeah, so there is nothing for this game. But looking at their recent ties, you can see Clarksville is not in great shape, but they were able to win them in the first leg. So you simply take Clarksville wins or draw. Let us check out their double chance odd. It should be above 1.30. This is the scenario for you to make the maximum benefit. The home or away win should be at both 1.30. So this odd is 1.39, which makes it good for our double chance prediction. You go with it. So in recap, for the double chance strategy to be effective, you should go with motivation. One, you should go with what Flash Score has to say. The percentage in Flash Score should be less than 20% different or less than 15% difference between the two teams. And you should somehow be going against the bookmakers when your favorite team is falling in line with all the above points. So thanks for watching and make sure you stay glued for our next video.